My God, it's raining. I don't know if it's hailing or it's raining. Looks like it's raining. Oh man. It's been raining here a lot in Albuquerque. It's been raining. It's been raining since yesterday. Yesterday I think it was been raining. I think. Yeah, but we needed this, so it's been hot It's been hot since May. You see that rain bouncing off the table? I think it's raining. I think it'll be good just to lay in the rain. Oh my goodness. My neighbors are silly. I don't know if it's my neighbors or this dude is scared to get out of his car because it's raining. That guy that passed by his bike. He wasn't scared, but this dude's scared, I think. I don't know. So cloudy. I was gonna go outside to make a video, but I tried to eat dinner, but I guess the rain beat me to it. I know he's leaving. He's leaving. Okay. Oh man, it's so crazy. Usually it doesn't rain as much. Last summer it hardly rained. So yeah, this should rain it should rain like a lot harder. Cause last summer it's been raining since yesterday. Last summer it hardly rained. Yeah, it hardly rained last summer. Oh man. Yeah. That's my raining video, guys. Chainsaw. Yelp.